What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2007 BMW 328i. Why you guys see this? He took all the side skirts off, everything off. He raised it just to put it on the lift outside because it's usually like that low. See it? Anyways, what we got done on it, got factory converters up there, secondary converters there, and you guys can see the low life, what it does. Everything scrapes, everything gets damaged and destroyed when it's lowered, which is cool. Who cares? That's what cars are made for, to have fun with. Secondary converters there. There's more scraping evidence. Then it winds into a single there, no resonator. And then we did all this a while back. And then he brought it back because he took the small tip off and he brought his own blast pipes, as you guys can see right there. That's what we put on. There's the blast pipes. Check it out, guys. That is freaking awesome. I love it. There you go. Blast pipes. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe. You guys can see how much wood we have to put down just to get it off the rack because it's so low. So there you go. Here we go. It's loud. 107. 112. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Where there's a will, there's a way. And we did it. Look at that thing. That is insane. That is so cool. He's got adjustables on it, so he's going to lower the front end before the drive off. It's a good looking car. Nice stance on it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.